The 2019 Ford Fiesta Sedan is still a snappy option that offers powerful acceleration and enjoyable driving dynamics, despite declining in popularity. The Fiesta continues to carve a niche for itself with its bespoke reliability, even though its space and ride comfort fall short of those of its competitors. The sedan's complaints have significantly decreased despite the fact that it has been a part of the same generation since 2011 and is built on a robust platform. The sedan has only had 28 complaints and 1 recall registered against it for the current model year, and it has been called back just once. The Hyundai Accent, Kia Rio, and Nissan Versa are competitors of the Ford Fiesta Sedan, which had a starting price of about $15,500. Slipping of transmission. The inability of the car to change gears is one of the 2019 Ford Fiesta's transmission issues. Customers have complained that the sedan performs poorly when moving because the transmission unit slips. Non-deployment of airbags. Customers of the 2019 Ford Fiesta have also mentioned the airbag system's malfunctioning in a few instances. The non-deployment of airbags in the event of a collision, according to the complainants, resulted in injuries to the occupants. Explosion of sunroof. One officially documented incident involved a 2019 Ford Fiesta buyer who reported that the sunroof glass had broken without any impact or incident. Although there hasn't been a confirmed instance of recurrence, numerous customers have brought up a related problem on unofficial forums. Failure of purge valve canister. A 2019 Ford Fiesta purchaser reported one instance of the purge valve canister failing without warning. The issue hasn't come up again, but it did with the sedan's earlier iterations. For a similar issue, Ford had also started a recall. Malfunctioning braking system. 3 buyers have mentioned the 2019 Ford Fiesta's diminished braking power as one of the problems with the car. Despite applying the brakes, the sedan does not slow down as expected and stops after an unusually long distance. Recalls. For the 2019 Ford Fiesta, there is only 1 recall that is currently in effect. Reduced brake performance is the issue. The rubber seals in the brake calipers may swell as a result of using the wrong assembly fluids, which can make the brakes drag. Should you buy? The Ford Fiesta gets high marks for dependability and has a manageable list of issues. By avoiding frequent trips to the shop, it delivers on its promise of a hassle-free ownership experience and lives up to its billing as the ideal daily driver. The sedan's decreased practicality and poor ride comfort cause it to lag behind its rivals, even though it has remained an alluring option. So, if reliability is a priority for you in a budget-friendly car, the 2019 Fiesta is a superb option.